Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. So last week's best video is Fish and More. So 54% of you want more stuff for the oven, and here we go. So I got not exactly fish, but this black tiger shrimps. They are raw and without a head and without gut. Very good. Next product I've got are nuggets, but these are vegetable nuggets. Then last time I showed you the donuts. You can still see a picture. And this time I've got sort of the original product, the discs I talked about, Camembert. Alrighty. Next product I've got for fun reasons. For fun reasons I got vegan dinosaurs. Look at this. T-Rex and stuff. And then I also got curly fries. So I'm trying out this. Also I already found the perfect fries. But let's see how good the curly fries are. I also got my beloved onion rings. And I will also review this Tabasco stuff alongside. So let's get the baking plate, the oven plate, and then put it onto it. Oh, here we go. And I'm getting a baking sheet as well to minimize like fat exposure to the metal. So less cleaning basically. And I get some of this Dinosaurs. Okay. Yeah, little nugget dinosaurs are a thing in Germany. I think they're small. So if you don't know this should be dinosaurs, it's hard to guess, I would say. And I'm placing some of them onto this. And the rest go back to the freezer. So now some Camembert. So this is packed in 2 packs. And one is already a lot. So I'm taking one. Yes. So now the shrimp things. It's Garnier. I'm not sure whether this is a proper English word. And they are packed. Oh wow. This looks rather disgusting. Yeah, let's get a scissor. Amazing. And do they turn pink when they heat up? They must, because on the serving suggestion they are pink. Wow, this looks like alien. Yeah, it smells very fishy. How much are them? I've got now 4, and the back are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I do 5. I eat the rest, other 5 later. Here they are. Still have the legs attached and the tail and stuff. Anyways. So vegetable nuggets. It's like corn, carrots, some peas. So now onion rings. Oh, my last ones. I need to find a new supermarket. I go to the supermarket and look whether they have restocked it or whether it's sold out forever. Anyways, now the curly fries. This is quite a tight bag here. Here we go. Smells like McDonald's. So this should be enough. Okay, this goes into the oven and the rest into the freezer. Alrighty, so see you later, food. Now, let's heat it up. So. Alrighty, so whilst the food is cooking, we check out the prices. So this tiger things costs €4.95. Then what else do we got? The nuggets are €2.50. Camembert €2.30. The fries are €2 already. Then I also bought blueberries, and this dinosaurs are $3.30. Alrighty. So then I also bought mini kiwi. How much is this? I think I make a video about the mini kiwi on Monday. Anyways, so the most expensive item is of course the shrimp. And now I look up the English word for garnels. Hey, here we go. Another word for these thingies in English is prawns. Okay. But they aren't pink. Let's see whether they get pink in a while. Alrighty, so here we go. Here is apparently the transformation. And yeah, so the shrimp is getting pink at the outside. And the camembert disc is still intact. Yeah, a little bit longer and then it's time to get it out. Alrighty, so I think we are finished now. So fat comes out of the dinos. Yeah, let's turn down the heat. And yeah, the stuff makes a lot of noise. Camembert disc is still intact. Alrighty, this looks kind of promising. So the onions rings got a little tan already. And yeah, so if the shrimpies did lose some water, and the water already evaporated, as you can see. Okay. Alrighty. And yeah, when it makes some sounds of the fat coming out. Yeah. Looks interesting. I'm looking forward to taste these products. Alrighty, so here we go. It's taste test time. I have to say, these vegetable nuggets are smelling a lot and good. But I'm starting off with some curly fry. Okay. Maybe some mayonnaise. No, not bad, but rather but rather unspectacular. And yeah, but with like freezed potato in the oven, it's a challenge. Therefore, it works quite good. Now maybe one of these dinosaurs. So I think it said wheat protein. I don't get the bags out, the packagings out again now. Okay. Yeah, this is a fail, I would say. That tastes like bread. As a McDonald's chicken nugget, this is now chicken dinosaur. No, vegetable dinosaur alternative. Vegan dinosaur alternative, this is. But vegan chicken alternative for McDonald's is actually good. Okay. Have you eaten real dinosaur? Let me know. Now this vegetable nugget. It has a lot of flavor. It's actually a really cool product. Super vegetable, fatty, creamy, crunchy, delicious. But now, finally, let's check out the shrimp, prawns. Okay. So the outside skin I can now peel off, which I think is a good idea. I could also try to eat the skin a little bit. Now we have the prawn meat and the legs. Okay, let's eat it. How do I get this out? This stuff is rather tasteless. What is this here? No. Super tasteless. And the skin. See the skin. I like to eat like grilled chicken skin. So the skin doesn't seem to be eatable. Yeah, sort of underwhelming. I don't see a purpose actually. It looks kind of ugly, but you can eat any fish instead of this. But this is the reason I make the reviews, that we get some information. What's actually going on? Okay, now eat it. Wow, tastes super neutral. Doesn't even taste like seafood. Alright, so one new product I haven't shown is this disc, Camembert disc. Here we go. This must have the most calories. Now it's like liquid cheese inside. Yeah, it's sort of strong, I would say a strong cheese. As you can see, it's far more cheese content than the donuts. So the donut was more like a little inside, and here's like a massive molten cheese. And not to forget these. Oh, nice. A lot of fun though. Now it's time for me to try out Tabasco. Sort of, as I understand it, this is just vinegar. So, got the annoying plastic film, very good. It's just some vinegar. I don't know actually whether this is a proper use case scenario. Oh, original red pepper sauce. Let's drop some. So they made sure that you don't eat too much at once with this fancy bottle here. No, if it won't work unless you shake it. Okay. Taking one of these dinos and eating. There isn't fish and chips in England originally with vinegar. And this vinegar replacement, wow, this burns nicely. I think this. Can I eat the legs as well? I now eat it with the legs. Yeah. It's like a sour burning hot sauce. It's super aggressive. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of nice. I like it. I think the first time I'm showing Tabasco on my channel. Now it's a mild one. And this one says jalapeno. Let's check out. I'm not quite sure whether I can still rate it because my mouth is burning already from the first one. But yeah, let's try it out. My beautiful friends. Oh yes. There's nothing like annoying plastic things. So here we go. And it says it's a milder jalapeno. I'll put it here. This looks thicker. Let's see how cool this will be. I think the acid stays the same. What is this use case scenario of vinegar? As you can see, the cheese is getting solid again, from liquid to solid. Yeah. Cheese and vinegar doesn't work at all. Yeah. So I'm eating a little bit more, and then we do the logbook thing. I also forgot last logging of the, here we go, of the M&M stuff. Yeah, these things are completely not worth it, basically. Alrighty, so I was eating a little bit more, and now it's time to finish up the episode. Here we go, aka logbook time. And I wrote everything down and just mark it now. So, today's review first. So I rate shrimp. Fail. Then the Camembert stuff I rate gourmet. Yeah. Yeah, you have to be into this type of cheese, oven cheese stuff. Curly fries I rate win. But I still stick with my big fry stuff. Vegetable nuggets, very big win, was nice. Then the vegan dinosaur meat is fail. Then the sauces, yeah, so I don't get the point. But is this like a salad dressing or something like this? I didn't know how to use it. I'm from Germany. Sorry guys, so I read and mild is the wrong word. What is this here? Mild? Oh, it says mild jalapeno. Anyways, so and yesterday I forgot the rating, so I rate the Rockstar's Ultimate Fun, isn't it? So, even I've seen it, like it's little figurines, you press a button and then they play a song and stuff. So the cookie chocolate was nice. This I rate win. Advent calendar fun, as well as Santa Claus. So these are not really exciting products, but it's fun. Nice merchandise. Okay, I hope you like this episode, and see you on Monday when we do the mini kiwis.